feeling nervous or stuck when trying to speak English? You're not alone. But here's the good news. In just 7 days, you can start speaking more confidently, fluently, and naturally, even if you're a beginner. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step speaking plan that really works. No boring grammar rules, just real speaking practice that helps you sound like a native. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any tips to boost your English faster than ever. Let's get started. Day 1. Speak out loud. Talk to yourself in English. Pick any topic, like your day, your dreams, or your favorite food, and speak for 2 minutes without stopping. Speaking out loud helps you become comfortable with English sounds. Day 2. Use the shadowing technique. Choose a short video or podcast by a native speaker. Listen to one sentence, pause, then repeat it exactly, same tone, same speed. This builds your pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency. Day 3. Start thinking in English. Challenge yourself to think in English all day. Instead of translating in your head, describe things around you in English. Example: I'm walking to the kitchen. I need a glass of water. This small habit brings big results. Day 4. Learn and use real-life phrases. Memorize 5 to 10 useful English phrases that native speakers use. Then practice them in sentences. Some examples: I'm not sure about that. Let me think. It depends. This makes your speech sound natural and less robotic. Day 5. Record yourself speaking. Recording yourself helps you hear your mistakes and progress. Pick a topic, speak for 2 minutes, and listen back. Compare with a native speaker to spot improvements. Day 6. Practice with a partner. Speak English with someone else. If you don't have a partner, use apps like Tandem, HelloTalk, or even speak in front of a mirror. The more you speak, the more confident you'll feel. Day 7. Watch without subtitles. Watch a short English movie or video without subtitles. Try to understand the story and pick up phrases or pronunciation. It improves your listening, vocabulary, and accent. If you follow this plan for just 7 days, you'll notice real improvements in your English speaking. Remember, the key is practice, not perfection. Keep speaking and you'll become fluent. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new English lesson. Comment below. What's the biggest problem you face while speaking English? Let's talk about